I really enjoy working at McCain Foods. It's a company that no matter what I've wanted to do, they provided a path and helped me get there.
It's always been a reliable place to work. You're always got quite a bit of business.
I like the maintenance apprenticeship because it was very hands-on, not all classroom work. There were definitely some gaps in my skill. The apprenticeship was able to help me bridge those and learn the technical skills that I needed to move forward. And the instructors knew those things, so they were able to teach us in a hands-on method.
I would recommend it because if you work at McCain's already in your production, it's the easiest way to get into maintenance.
I think it has a lot to do with the attitude. People who have a can-do attitude and are trying to solve problems on their own, those are the people that can be trained to be a mechanic.
Someone that's patient and willing to learn.
If you're up for a challenge, the apprenticeship and maintenance would be the right path for you. For me, McCain Foods is a big part of our community. They put a lot of money into the community and it's raised a lot of families. So it's hard to meet anybody in this area that does not have somebody that's worked at McCain Foods. They've touched so many lives and I think that they do a great job of taking care of their employees.